Food and Beverage Expo.
Hi, my name is Disha. I am here from Wardwizard Foods and Beverages Limited. Our company is headed by Ms. Sheetal Bhalerao. We have two flagship brands. One is Quick Chef and Snack Buddy. Quick Chef is in ready-to-eat products and Snack Buddy is into sauces, emulsions and condiments. We are a company from Gujarat. We have been participating in a lot of expos. But when I talk about Chennai Food and Beverages Expo, coming from Chennai Trade Center, in 2 days we have received a lot of good response. May it be B2C leads or may it be exporters. I thank Vijesh for helping me get a beautiful stall here, and we will be happy to have ourselves again in the Chennai market and participate in the coming expos with them. Thank you.
Food and Beverage Expo, 21st, 22nd and 23rd June, 2023 Manpo Convention Center, Bengaluru.